Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute bunny card with the Easter Friends stamp set. Alright, here's my cute little bunny card using the Easter Friends stamp set. I decided to use fresh freesia, and I've already got everything ready here. So I've used the Eden dies to cut out this cute little wreath out of the Beauty of the Home DSP, and I've stamped my little bunny in basic gray. And then this is the pansy patch paper, and it has this really nice gingham, the fresh freesia gingham. So I'm just going to add this to the front, and then I'm just going to use some liquid glue to add my wreath. I'm just going to get that little piece off right there. I'm just going to add little dots onto the leaves all the way around. I love this paper because it has this fun wood grain, gray wood grain. I love gray on the back, and each wood grain is a little bit different. So make sure you check out this paper because it is really cool. It's in the mini catalog. Okay, and so we'll just go ahead and lay that on there. Isn't that so cute? So we have a gingham pattern and we have this flower pattern. Maybe I need to hold it down. And then we've got our little bunny, and I'm gonna add some color to our little bunny cheeks. I'm gonna put some fresh freesia on her cheeks with a sponge dauber. So I'm just gonna super lightly grab a little bit of ink, and I'm just gonna rub a little bit of ink, like ever so slightly on her cheeks. So she's just got a little bit of color, super cute. And then while I have this here, I'll go ahead and stamp Happy Easter on this little label from the Eden dies. Let's see if I can, that's okay. And then I'm gonna use a black marker. And then I'm going to use the basic gray right marker, and I'm just going to color around her little eyes to give them a little bit more depth and definition, so you can see her super cute little eyes looking at you. And then if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of a shadow down here because it's kind of dark down there, so you could add some shadow down here. And just add a little bit of that. So it's kind of fun to either color them in, and if you wanted to color it in, you could use Smoky Slate, but I like her just how she is, but maybe we should try it out just so I can see what it looks like. So I'll just go ahead and try it out. So I'm just gonna add just like a tiny bit of dark to the shaded areas. Hopefully it won't cover over my fresh freesia. So we'll see what this looks like. So we don't have basic gray blends, but the Smoky Slate is a good, nice color. So we just want to blend it in right here. Okay, so there's our gray bunny. She's pretty cute. So which do you like better, the gray bunny or the white bunny? I don't know. I think I kind of like them both. So we'll add some dimensionals to the bunny and our label. And then we'll do a glue dot for the ribbon. So we'll just add our little cute bunny, and then we'll stick the Happy Easter underneath her. If I can get it to go underneath without sticking. Maybe I need to do it sideways so I can lift this up. There we go. So you can put it like right about there. Yay! And then we'll do a little bow. And then we're gonna add, I used for this one the in color jewels, but I thought it would be super cute to do the pastels. So these are also retiring, but I still wanted to use them. So got these cute little pearls here, so I'll just add like one, maybe, oh, whoops, one over here. And then I'll do a couple over here. Super cute. And this is a little passport holder that my friend told me about that you can buy on Amazon, like a 5-pack or a 10-pack, and they're great for putting your embellishments in. So that's just another little tip. But there's our cute little bunny card. So which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. Do you like the white bunny with the in color jewels, or do you like our soft smoky slate bunny with the pastels? All right, so I'm offering a free card kit when you place a $40 order using my current host code. And we've got a bunny card, a chick card, and a little cute duck card. So just email me and let me know that you would like this kit once you place your order, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video on these fun Easter Friends cards. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or when I post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.